Alright, today I am just doing a little video of my 1957 Ford 850. This model actually came standard with power steering. Many of them did not, from my understanding. I completely restored this tractor a few years ago. I got it from the city, DPW, and it was painted all yellow. Rusted up pretty bad. Located some good part sources, put it back together. Had a few upgrades done to it. Went to a 12-volt system. I still have the 6-volt system in a box in the garage. Updated the electronics or the ignition to Petronix, which makes it very easy to start. As you can see, it's in really good shape. I actually use it to mow and snowplow. If you guys saw my first video, I was just sitting outside in the wintertime, did a little video of that, plowing snow. But I just have a finished mower on it in Old Woods. But works great. Fire it up for you here. So, thanks for checking out my video.